Hey, where's 8-Bit Eegy? Or 7?
I don't know.
You're his brother. Oh, the brother's here today, guys. We've got an unboxing. Did you want to be in your first proper video? Okay. We're doing an unboxing. So what it is, you normally get up, your brother, 7-Bit Eegy normally climbs up on the table. So you have to climb up here and then you have to help me unbox this. He says you're the smarter one. A bit older, are you?
I'm 8-Bit Eegy.
You're the real 8-Bit Eegy?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Whoa, a marble.
Is this a marble set?
Do you know why I'm called 8-Bit?
Why?
Because I'm 7 years old and it's almost my birthday as well. My birthday's on the same, isn't it? I've been bounty for a while. I'm maybe upstairs all the time.
You're not on the computer all the time?
Yeah.
Do you want more grown-up stuff compared to the 7-Bit Eegy?
Yeah,
Oh, it's a little gorilla on this. How much is this?
Oh, it looks like...
Let me have a look at the box, 8-Bit.
It's running away.
Okay, guys.
Oh, so look.
Wow.
I'm going to put this in a bin.
It's called Rolling Ball Rail Blocks.
I will put the rubbish in a bin.
Oh, thanks for that.
Yeah, unlike
Brain toys.
8-Bit Eegy.
Straight from China. 72 pieces. Ah, look what we've got here. Is this a bit like Hubelino? This is like a Hubelino set. Looks like it. We'll open this up and see how we go. Oh, you can make different things out of it. Different animals. Okay, let's get this little baby unboxed. It tells you what's on the side, what's in the box. And we'll get this unboxed and see how we go. What is that? What's that? Oh, you're back. 7-Bit. Your brother 8-Bit was here before. Can you hop up here and open this box up? Okay. We've got to do an unboxing.
You know what? You'll not believe it. You'll not believe it. My brother's 8-Bit. He told me that he's better controller.
7-Bit. Let's start pulling some pieces out, dude. Let's see what we got.
Okay, he's going to be back in a second. Oh yeah, these are the Lego ones.
These are the instructions. This is Hubelino's type marble set, I think.
Okay, I'm going to get my brother back in the video. He told me that he's supposed to be in the video, okay?
So get him and he can see you for the rest of the video, okay? Because we need to build this. Thanks, 7-Bit. Go grab 8-Bit. Bring him down. You guys are wearing the same shirt.
Yeah, I know. Even with both wearing all the place that's empty.
We need someone very smart, so we're going to need 8-Bit. Oh, where's 8-Bit? Oh, good on you, 8-Bit. I never see you two guys at the same time. You're always doing your own thing.
Yeah.
It's a bit weird. Up your pop, 8-Bit, 7-Bit.
We always watch the same thing on YouTube.
Okay. So here's our two blood base plates. So 7-Bit, we've got all these extra pieces we get out. And we have to try and build this. Our Hubelino setup.
Oh, dinosaurs.
So,
Like animals that we can build. I don't know what's going on.
so here's the instructions. I know you're the best out of Lego, making stuff with Lego though.
Yeah.
So the first bit's put those like that.
Yeah.
And then we need the green bits.
2.7 8-bits is not that more Lego than me.
You like playing video games, 8-Bit?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get these pieces out.
And like me, I put stuff in the beginning. This is my first ever video, huh? You know what? Like for my next video, so after the day, I'm gonna do it like again. Oh, we're not leaving the marble sticker. But the marble's out there.
Wow, it's a good set. It's not too plug.
Yeah, marble.
Okay, here's some stickers now. If we follow the instructions, here we go.
You need to build the marbles. Well, that's never happened before.
So the marbles are split in two and you have to build them. There's a red, a green,
He told me that you're supposed
blue and a yellow.
You'll not believe what
Okay.
8-Bit Eegy told me.
Let's get this started. So we need some grey pieces, which I think will be the white pieces, are they? Probably doesn't matter. So it doesn't matter what colour you use. You just need to see the shape. So there's a double and a single. See that? A double, and then there's two pieces and a four. So is there a two?
First I'm getting the 3 4s. Well,
We're going to start building this, guys.
After other two.
So we'll start building this up, guys, and we'll get back to you. You got a double 6 piece, is it?
Yeah, and that's like.
Daddy looked at it wrong.
Yeah, before it
goes there.
Okay. This is super.
There's a space between it, isn't there? No, there's a space between it. Need to move it down one, I think.
Okay, well, this is super hard since I've never done it before. Well, let's open the marbles first. How come you didn't want to open the marbles first? They're the ones that we're going to open. Mainly. So they're the main thing.
We're going to build the marbles.
Yeah.
There's a red marble, a blue marble, a yellow marble, and a green marble. It's quite weird how you have to build them like that.
Yeah. Not hardly in
They got
any.
faces on them.
Even my favorite colour is green as well as 8-bit Eegy. Actually, 7-bit Eegy.
They got faces, guys.
Well, do you know what? So my favorite colour is green, like 7-bit Eegy. I'm so mixed up with 8-bit Eegy and 7-bit Eegy.
So you take the Eegy, eh?
Yeah, it's got so weird because there's 8 bits. Let's test the marble right now.
Here's a test, guys.
Let's
Yes.
test all the marbles.
It works.
And green.
Hubelino! Forks. Here's the ramp. And what's that one there? A little short piece.
I have it. And they're both
Followed
yellow.
by another short piece. Then there's a drop off. Some more
4
short.
short pieces.
Another short piece.
That's
Doesn't matter what colour you use, so the colours are different.
And at least it doesn't matter what's color.
Then 2 more short pieces, is it?
Whoa, it just drops. That's weird.
Just rolls off. We'll have to test it again.
Yeah.
2 more short bits.
Yes. And my.
One in front of you. Okay, I'm going to give it a test with the
First,
marbles.
let's finish it.
Marbles first, test.
Okay, even as a block.
Whee! 8-bit, you're pretty clever at this 8-bit.
Yeah.
Go. Then we've got to do that corner there.
Because I do
3
more
bits.
rough stuff.
So we need another one of these ones. I think it's that one, is it?
No, that's not the
No,
one.
it's not reaching. Maybe it's the
Oh, here
biggest
it is.
one, is it? Oh, that's the right one.
I think too bad that 8-bit Eegy hasn't even told me the thing that he does
And there's
yet.
a sharp corner here. We have a sharp corner.
Huh? I mean, yeah, that's the one that it's.
Here it is. Blue.
Yeah, the one that-
You going to test the marble so it goes all the way to the bottom?
all of them.
Here we go, guys. Another test. Yes.
We haven't done it.
Just flipping the page. We're up to 7 now. Number 7 out of 12 steps. So we've just put these 2 in. So there's our
Oh, no rainbow.
next bit of instructions.
This one is
You got 3 squares there already in front of you.
2.
So that'll be there.
There and there.
Oh. Oh. It goes there. It goes 2. I believe. Double check if you like, but that's what I reckon. Definitely lines up with the other one. There's 2 spaces in between. But this one's one off. That one there is like supposed to be about there. That's one off. There's only one difference between these 2. You can see it's not quite lined up, so it should be there. Next. And we've got this one now. That's 2, and then there's one on top.
What?
2, 2, and 4.
I'm only getting the pieces for the
It's a
next
white
one.
one. It's a white one, Nikki. With the white one on top.
The 2 brick. The 2 brick. The same way?
No, it goes the other one. Here it goes. There. I believe.
No.
There's one space between them, see? So there's one space.
What? Oh, I thought you did not do that.
Okay, I'm pretty sure it's correct. Yeah, I'll get up the top here. Up to this ramp bit now. Where's the turn? The ramp turn. Up the top here. The full turn.
There is?
Is that it? We're going to give it a test, guys. On top. Here we go.
And green one.
Get in there, guys. It's getting higher. The ramp is getting higher.
And they mean 7-bit Eegy are both
Up and across.
sick. They mean 7-bit Eegy are both sick.
Ah. Okay, that one's done. Done those ones, so we're up to here now, I think.
No, we're up to there, see?
We've done that. Those ones, they're on. That's the pieces we need, which are there, and they're on. So we
No,
now
what
need...
about
That's
that?
done. It's that bit. That's done. We're up to here. So we need to build around the corner here. So there's some turning bit. We got another turner, starting bit. Hello?
No, that actually goes there. Look, we actually need to do that part. We haven't done that.
You just did this bit.
Huh? No, but look.
Is there another bit?
See, they're both different. That's a 2 brick. And this is a big brick.
Okay, I think you're right.
Yeah. Okay, so it's like that.
Aha.
That's weird. Let's test the marbles to see how weird it is.
So we built it, guys, and we're about to test it out. Hopefully the marble goes all the way.
Oh no, I forgot. The purple marble's the yellow marble's somewhere.
Yes! Go! Okay. There we go.
Green and red.
Red made it. Can yellow make it?
Even green's
Blue's
made
following.
it. Green's made it. And blue's gonna lose.
They all make it, dude. That's brilliant, Eegy. Can yellow make it?
Even green's
Blue's
made
following.
it. Green's made it. And blue's gonna lose.
They all make it, dude. That's brilliant, Eegy. Where are we going to keep that without breaking it?
On the story cabinet.
We're going to keep this, guys. Hope you enjoyed our Hubelino Forks Chinese toy set. It seems to work pretty good.
Yeah, well, who wants to see this? Let's make an accident. What's this accident happen? It's a bad accident. Ta-da!
It's pretty brilliant.
Yeah.
Where you just took the corner bit out and put it back, Eegy.
It's an accident. Do you want to
Where's
see
Jelle?
this bigger accident? Ta-da! Bigger accident. Switching past.
Where's the yellow one gone?
Huh? There.
And do you know where these stickers go? Not too sure where they go.
On the bum.
Catch you all later. Hope you enjoyed our Hubelino
Yeah,
fun.
I forgot to
Hubelino fun. Hubelino fun.
And I need to tell you something.
Bye bye, everyone.
I need to tell you something. Today we're not supposed to do wreckage. Cause something's not going right with the wreckage.
We're not going to wreck this, guys, because it took a lot to build, and we want to keep it as it is. And Riggy, this is drop off here. Catch us all later. Bye bye.
Test it.
Last one. Here we go. Hopefully nothing silly happens. Okay, it's nice and safe, everybody. Let them go, Iggy. Okay.